Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So, my name is Atika Serlimiana. I'm from 1A Palembang Class from Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, English Study Program in Sriwijaya University. So, today I want to do my presentation about consonant overview. I want to share screen first. All right. Okay. Consonant overview. What is consonant? Consonants are made by partially or completely blocking the flow of air through the mouth. For example, when you say p, your top and bottom lips press together, stopping the air briefly. There are 24 consonants in English, which are 9 voiceless and 15 voiced. Voiceless means that a sound without vibration in the throat. And then voiced means a sound with vibration in the throat. Okay, next. And then for the mouth, look at the diagram of the mouth. The labeled parts are used to make consonants in English. There are this one, lips, teeth, lips, this is teeth, and then alveolar ridge, this one, nasal cavity, this one, and then palate, this one, and volume, this is, and tongue, our tongue, and then vocal cords are glottis, this one. Okay, next. There are some, this is, no. These are consonants and examples of them. The first one is P. For examples, past, pen, apple. And the second one is B. The examples are boat, banana, rabbit. And then this one, T. Teacher, take, letter. And then this one, D. Desk, address, lived. Lived. Nah, like that. And this one, k, like that. For example, calm, mechanic, clock. Okay. And then this one, g. For example, game, go, bigger. And then F. For example, food, traffic, laugh. Like that. And then this is V. V. This is F. This is V. For example, vegetables, vegetable, live, live. I'm sorry, live. And then this one is, this symbol is sounds the. For example, then, think, month, like that. Okay, and then this is, the symbol is pronounced the, like that. For example, this, mother, and then breathe. Okay, and then this is S, sun, glass, city. And then Z or Z. Z, Z, like that, yeah. Zoo, raise, jazz. Next, this is pronounced sh, sh, like that. Sh. For example, shower, pressure, national. Okay, next. This one. This is pronounced, actually the symbol is like 3, like number, right? But this symbol we pronounce S. For example, not S ya, what ya? Like this, like this. For example ya guys, television, pleasure, visual. Now like that. And then next, this symbol is pronounced ch, ch, like that. For example, chair, match, picture. Okay. Next one, the next one is this symbol. This symbol is pronounced j, 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 like that. This is ch, this is j. For example, jazz, gym, gym, fridge, like that. Okay, and then this is r, like that. Okay, for example, right, tomorrow, and right. And then this one, L. For example, light, land, wall. Okay, next. And then this one, M. Man, summer, lamb. And then N, nurse, tennis, knife. And then this one, nah, this is N, and then this is eng. We pronounce eng. For example, single, single, long, young. And then this one, y, y sound. This is y. For example, yesterday, beyond, yet. And then this one is way, like that. For example, wet, and then one, and then queen. Yeah, like this, like that, I mean. Okay, the next one is ha sound. Like, this is, for example, is, for example, house, who, hat. Okay. Nah, so the example, the consonants and then the examples of them are finished. So there are, how many? There are 24 consonants that we already learned how to pronounce it. Okay, next. This is some difficult consonants. For example, oh my god, I'm sorry. Now, the first one is the sounds. How to pronounce it? So, for our mouth, put the tip of your tongue lightly between your teeth. Like this. The. Nah. And then the second one is F and V. Sometimes people like confusing how to pronounce F and V. They confuse whether it is F or it is V. Nah, for our mouth, like this. Touch your top teeth to your lower lip. Top teeth to lower lip, like this. F, V, V. Now like this, like that. Okay. And the third one is R. Our mouth is start with the tip of the tongue turned up and back a little, Lower the tongue tip without touching the top of the mouth. R, 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 like that. R. And then the last one is L. How to pronounce it? Like this. Touch the tip of the tongue behind the top teeth. L, L. This one in our mouth. L. Okay. So those are difficult consonants. Some difficult consonants. Okay, next. Nah, like what I said in the first slide, in the first slide, this one. No, not in the first slide. I'm sorry, the second slide. Now there are voiceless and voiced consonants, right? So we learn in this slide. Okay. Voiced and voiceless sounds. First, for example, have a glass, have a glass. Have and v. Have a glass, have a glass. Okay. The second one, for example, an unusual age. An unusual age. Nah, like that. The differences. Okay, the third one is great prizes and then great prizes. The differences is in the cis and this. This is age and age. This is half and have. Okay, next. The fourth. A new cup. A new cub. Like that. Cup and cub. Cup and cub. And then the fifth, a small log. A small log. Nah, log and log. This one. The last one is the couple's wet. The couple's wet. The couple's wed. Nah, this one, wet and then wed. Okay, guys, I think that's all what I want to explain to you guys. Okay. Let's share first. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry if I have some mistaken in this video. Thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.